Very good morning to all my dear children. Hope all are safe at home with your family. Welcome back to our new session. Yes, now let's start our class. In the last session, we learned 6 sight words and practice reading also. In this session also, I am just revising what we had read in the last session. Okay? Yes, all listen here, beta. Lesson number 9. A makes a sound A. So we have to read this A as A. F-A-T, fat. C-A-T, cat. So how will you read? A fat cat. Okay. See the first line. A cat. C-A-T, cat. So how will you read? A cat. A cat. Next line. A F-A-T, fat. C-A-T, cat. So read this line. A fat cat. A fat cat. Yes. Next line. S-A-M, Sam. S-A-M, Sam. S-A-T, sat. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. M-A-T, mat. This is a sentence and I will explain you about sentence later. First listen here beta, how to read. We can learn how to read, okay? Yes, all read. Sam sat on the mat. Sam sat on the mat. टीचर के साथ रीड करके जाना सर. Yes, see the next sentence. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. S-A-T, sat. O-N, is also O-N, on. T-H-E, the. M-A-T, mat. S read. Cat sat on the mat. Cat sat on the mat. Are you clear beta all? Yes. See the last sentence. S-A-M, Sam. P-A-T-S, pats. Pats. T-H-E, the. C-A-T, cat. Yes, read. Sam pats the cat. Sam pats the cat. Okay. Are you clear beta how to read? You have to read daily. टीचर ने बोला है daily आपको read करना है, ठीक है? Yes beta. Now all of you take out your English book. All ready with your English book, pencil and eraser no? हाँ सब ready बैठना है ना? Okay. Yes now take out your English book. Taken all of you. Open page number 20. Page number 20. Here you put today's date 24 8th month August 2020 and this is today's classwork. Okay. Put it 24/8/2020 classwork. Yes. Now all listen here. What we have to do, this is an exercise and what we have to do here, complete the words with middle sound letters for each picture. Some pictures are given and we have to complete incomplete words, means in this, here we have to complete these words with middle sound letters. Middle sound is missing, middle sound letter is missing, we have to complete it. Okay. See, first picture. Can. What is this? Can. So, K, C is here. K. Letter C makes a sound K. K, N, can. Which letter makes a sound A? A makes a sound A. So, C, A, N, can. So, what we have to write here? A. All write with me. C, A, N, can. C, A, N, can. Finished? Yes. See the next picture. What is this? Pad. Pad. What is this? Pad. P-A-D. So missing, middle sound letter is missing. We have to complete it. P-A-D. Pad. Which letter makes the sound A? A. P-A-D. Pad. P-A-D. Pad. You have to write in cursive only. See the next one. Jam. Jam. J. What will come here? Which letter will come here? J. M. Jam. A. Write in cursive. J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. Yes. Next one. What is this? Hat. What is this? Hat. So, H is here. A is missing. T is here. T. So, which letter will come here? H. A. H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Finish, beta? Yes. See the next picture. What is this? Cap. What is this? Cap. C-A. Cap. Cap. A-P. Why A? K for C. A for A. P for P. Then C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. Then last one. Pan. What is this? Pan. Pan. P-A-N. So, A is missing. We have to write. So, which letter makes a sound? A. A makes a sound. A. P-A-N. P-A-N. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Finished all? Yes. Yes. Next. Match the rhyming words. Match the rhyming words. Some words are here in this side. And here also some words are given. We have to match these words with the suitable rhyming words. We have to find out the rhyming word from here. Okay. See. First one. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. Match it from here. What is this? M-A-N. Man. Is it a rhyming word for fat? No. See the next one. R-A-G. Rag. R-A-G. Rag. Is it a rhyming word for fat? No. So see the next word. M-A-P. Map. M-A-P. Map. Map and fat. Is it a rhyming word? No. So see this one. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Fat. Mat. Yes. Fat and mat are rhyming words. So match it. Match fat with mat. Okay. Finished? Yes. Next see the next word. N-A-P. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. Yes. Find out the rhyming word for nap. M-A-N. Is it a rhyming word for nap? No. R-A-G. Rag. Nap. Rag. Is it a rhyming? No. Next one. M-A-P. Map. Yes. Nap. Map. Nap. Map. Yes. Join this. Nap. Map. Finished? Yes. Now see the next word. B-A-G. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Yes. Find out the rhyming word for bag. M-A-N. Man. Bag. Man. Rhyming words? No. Then see the next word. R-A-G. Rag. R-A-G. Rag. Bag. Rag. Yes. Bag. Rag. Match it. Okay. Then last word. P-A-N. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. So find out the rhyming word for pan from this side. Man. M-A-N. Man. Yes. Pan. Man. Pan. Man. Match it. Okay. Are you clear, beta? Yes. Now let's have a look here. Finish. Now take the next page. Page number 21. Here also you put today's date. 24th August 2020. And this is also our classwork. Yes, all put beta. Yes, what we have to do here, look at the pictures given as the clue and fill in the blanks. We have to fill these blanks. From the clue, picture clue has given here, we have to fill in the blanks. Okay? Yes. See the first one. S-I-T, sit, it, sit on a dash. Sit on a dash. So see the picture. What is this? Mat. What is this? Mat. So what we have to write here? Sit on a mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Finished all? Clear all? Sit on a mat. Sit on a mat. Okay? Yes. Next one. Second one. I-T, it. I-S-E fat dash. It is a fat dash. So see the picture. Who is this? Cat. Cat. So what we have to write here? What we have to fill in the blanks? Cat. It is a fat cat. C-A-T cat. 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 C-A-T cat. Okay. Ma-at mat. M-at mat. M-A-T mat. C-A-T cat. Okay. Finished? Yes. See the third one. S-I-T eat. I-S is a. How will you read? I-T eat. I-S is ऐसे नहीं. आपको read करने के लिए आ रहा है तो आप कैसे read करोगे? It is a dash. It is a dash. Okay. What is this? Bag. Find. See the picture. What is this? Bag. So what we have to write here? It is a bag. So say the spelling of bag. Bag the spelling बोलो सबको आता है bag the spelling. All say the spelling of bag. Bag. So b for B. Which letter makes a sound? B. B. A. G. Okay. B-A-G bag. B-A-G bag. It is a bag. Are you clear? Yes. Then see the fourth one, last one. H-E. What H-E? How will you read H-E? It is a sight word. In the last session we learned this sight word. H-E. He. H-E. He is a fat. F-A-T. Fat. He is a fat dash. इधर कुछ दिया नहीं, हमको लिखना है, फिलअप करना है, ठीक है? Fat man. Who is this? A man. Man. So what we will write here? He is a fat man. Man. How say the spelling of man? Man की spelling बोलो सब. Man. M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. Man. M-A-N. Man. He is a fat man. Yes. All listener beta. Once again I am reading. Sit on a mat. आप लिखने के बाद भी ऐसे रीडिंग करना, ठीक है? तो एकदम कितना रीडिंग आप करोगे उतना आपको क्या हो जाएगी बेटा? क्लियर हो जाएगी. You will be clear how to read and what you have to write. Sit on a mat. Sit on a mat. See the next one. Yes. It is a fat cat. It is a fat cat. Next one. It is a bag. It is a bag. It is a bag. Then last one. He is a fat man. He is a fat man. Okay? Are you clear beta? भी school नहीं है. School है तो daily we can practice. But in your house also you have to practice daily. Then only school खोलने के बाद हमको क्या हो जाएगी? Clear हो जाएगी. You have to read daily. भूलना नहीं. Daily you have to practice reading. Okay? He is a fat man. Okay? See. Here. Now trace the above sentences in the space below. Here you no need to trace. You write. Cut this trace. Trace को काटो and you write. Rewrite. R-E-W-R-I-T-E. Rewrite. Now rewrite the above sentences. इस sentence को हम क्या करेंगे? इधर वापस लिखने का, ठीक है? No need to trace. आपको tracing नहीं करना because this is not in cursive, so you no need to trace here. See what you will have to write here. First one, sit on a mat. Sit on a mat. So you have to write in cursive. S, capital S, then I, T, sit. Oh, this is just for practicing only, हाँ बेटा, हमको सिर्फ practice के लिए. Sit on a mat. Mat. M A T. mat. फिर लास्ट में full stop डालना. Don't forget to put full stop. And because this is a sentence, I told you I will explain you about sentence later. First letter capital. Sentence should start with capital letter and end with a full stop. SIT sit on a mat. Finished. ऐसे आपको सिर्फ ट्रेसिंग करना, ठीक है. No need to trace. You have to rewrite the sentences. First sentence in first box, first line. Second sentence, it is a fat cat. You have to write here. Then third one, it is a bag. You have to write here. And fourth one, he is a fat man. Here already written here. You have to rewrite. Okay? Yes. Yes, beta. Now all of you take out your English notebook. Yes. Take the new page. In the previous page, we had written vowels. In this new page, you put today's date, 24th October 2020. And this is your homework, HW. Okay? Yes. The first line, you write words, W, O, R, D, yes, words with W, I, T, H, with vowel V, O, W, E, L, vowel A, words with vowel A. A heading आपको मम्मी लिखे देगी. Underline this heading also. S. Leave the second line. Leave this line. क्यों ये लाइन लीव करेंगे थोड़ा अच्छा दिखेगा लिखने के टाइम, इसलिए. ठीक है. लीव दिस लाइन. From the third line, here you put number 1. You have to write with pencil only. Number 1. Start from here. First word. I am giving you homework. We had learned some words. Vowel with A sound words हमने learn किया है बेटा. I am giving you few more words. Some more words I am giving you. You have to write and you have to practice in slate also. Okay. Okay. L A P, lap. Yes, all say with me. L A P, lap. L A P, lap. Yes. Next line. Number 2. All written. L A P, lap. Yes. Number 2. Next word. B A D. B A D is all read. B A D. B and bad. B A D, bad. B A D, bad. Then finished all. B A D, bad. Then number 3. M A D. M A D. Let's all say M A D. M and mad. M A D, mad. Finished. Then number 4. Finished all. Lap, bad, mad. Number 4. Pat. P A T. P A T. Pat. P A T. Pat. Then number 5. W A G. W A G. Wag, bag. W A G, bag. Bag. Number 6. H A M. H A M, as all read. H A M, ham, ham, ham. Finished? Ham. The next number 7. S A T. SAT, sat. SAT, sat. The number 8. N A P. NAP, nap. NAP, nap. Yes. All listen here. First one LAP, lap. Second one BAD, bad. Third one MAD, mad. Fourth one PAT, pat. Fifth one WAG, wag. Sixth one HAM, ham. Seventh one SAT, SAT. Eighth one, NAP, NAP. I am giving you 8 words. Yes. Now what you have to do after writing, you have to draw 2 lines like this. Okay. Draw 2 lines. मम्मी को बोल के ड्रॉ करके लेना, ठीक है. Draw 2 lines and you have to copy each word 2 times. Lap. Here also lap. See. Lap. 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 Again LAP. Lap. ऐसे बोल बोल के लिखना. I told you already. Lap. Then bad, bad, bad. Mad, mad, mad. Like this you completed. Okay. This is our homework. Completed today itself. We can see next topic in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe. Stay home.